Hello, this is Lela from Ms. Lela Pink Journey, where I do custom keepsakes, unique souvenirs, and specialized gifts. Thank you for stopping by and watching as I do a quick unboxing of the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 sewing machine. Following the video, please check the description box for additional details regarding this machine. So let me get this Singer Heavy Duty 4452 machine out of the box. It is said to have a high speed of 1100 stitches per minute, and it comes with several different bonus accessories, which I will share with you once I get the box open. It has an automatic needle threader. It's supposed to have a 60% stronger motor than a standard sewing machine. So let's see. So of course, Singer has the machine nicely packed. Let me move some of this packing. Got some weight to it. It's very heavy. The Athens machine that I have is not heavy. It's a nice machine, but it's not heavy duty. So remove that. Some of the accessories are this soft cover. Of course, we have our Quickstart guide. Comes with a standard foot pedal. On the top here, it has a nice steel plate. It's really nice. And I like the top drop-in bobbin. It has a clear cover so that you can see how much thread is left in the bobbin. The top here, which I'm going to show you a picture of, is an easy thread guide. Much easier thread guide than the previous one that I've had. And it also has the bobbin winder. So with the top features, it's easy to see where it has a nice easy threader guide and a bobbin winder. And of course, you have the space for your thread, tension, needle position, width. The reverse button or back button is found here, more on the threader guide here. And we have the length and the stitches. It has 32 stitches, separate stitches that you can use on this one. And you change it over using this button to go from S1 normal and S2 stitches. I'll share a little bit about those later. It also has here the clear bobbin holder cover, clear bobbin cover, and it also comes with one of the clear bobbin thingies. Also, it has the measurements 7/8, 5/8, 3/8 all the way around. That's really good. And then as you remove this, I really like that metal plate. It's much more sturdier. So here I'm just showing you that there are accessories in that case. Some people forget that, and I will dump them all out and show you exactly which accessories come with this machine so you can see them, and also the bonus accessories that come with the machine. So we have here the Quick Start guide, and the Quick Start guide just gives step-by-step instructions on how to thread the machine, how to plug it up and get the presser foot going and get everything started. The bobbin winder will show you how to get that going, and it's pretty comprehensive guide, and it's quick, and I really like things like this. It's Singer Quickstart Guide. So that comes in there. Of course, it has registration information, and you can also register online. And these are the important safety guides and just more information from Singer. So we have that. And of course, I talked about the actual dust cover. It says it's a soft guided dust cover, and it is really soft. So that's really good. That's nice to have. And it's the bobbin class for this is called class 15. So that gets us this clear one. So you'll always use the clear bobbin for that. I'm going to lay out a bunch of the accessories that were included in the box. In no particular order, I'm just going to take them out and I'm going to lay them out so that you can see what they are. There are plenty of accessories, which is great. I'll need to learn to use most of them because I'm very new to sewing, but it's really working well with my decorated apparel that I include in my shop. I want to tell you that the machine it's about a little less than 4.5 pounds. So it's a really lightweight machine, which is really good. And there I am laying out some more of the accessories. Let me read them off to you. There's a general purpose foot, a zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, edge quilting guide, pack of needles, bobbins, spool caps, auxiliary spool pin, a spool pin felt, screwdriver, seam ripper, lint brush. It also comes with a walking foot that I'll show you, and it came with extra needles. And I'll try to link more information below in my description box. I'll link a link to where you can purchase the actual machine from also. And I think that this is going to be a great machine. I've tried the Singer Athens 2009 machine, and I've tried the Singer 4423. I think I'm going to really like this machine. I needed something heavy duty because I'm doing a lot of repetition with my sewing, and this is going to work out well. So in this bag, there are bonus accessories. And let's see what we have. The bonus accessories have a pack of heavy-duty needles. They're size 16 heavy-duty needles. So in this little box, it is one of the extra accessories, and it's called a walking foot. And I'm not familiar with that, but I'm told that the walking foot is used to sew several layers of fabric, and it's a must-have for quilting. And I'll see how I can use it. I'll see how I can use it while I am sewing. So that is the 4452 by Singer Heavy Duty. That was my unboxing. I'll come back with a video on how to use the automatic threader and the bobbin winder. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. More information in the description box below. Thanks.